Some people don't need to speak to dominate the room. They walk in, and conversations die. Eyes shift. Confidence fades. Why? Because their aura isn't normal. It's not calm. It's not kind. It's a predatory pressure you can't describe. Like a storm gathering silently on the horizon, a force that grips the room and won't let go. This isn't charisma. It's not noise. It's an invisible weapon. A dark aura designed to intimidate, to control, to make people fear what they can't explain. Today, you'll learn the 3 brutal steps to turn your presence into a weapon, to manipulate anyone around you. Because once your aura becomes a weapon, words become unnecessary. Step 1. Kill the noise. Silence is your first weapon. When you enter a room, don't fill the space with nervous chatter or forced energy. Instead, watch. Let your silence speak volumes. Why is he so calm? Why isn't he reacting? What does he know that we don't? Imagine standing at a party where everyone talks fast and loud, but you remain still, quiet, like a shadow scanning the room. People fear what they can't label. That quiet presence wrapped in stillness feels like a bomb waiting to explode. Move slow. Let your eyes scan like a predator. Cold, precise, calculating. Speak less. But when you do, speak slowly, deliberately, like every word is a razor's edge. The less you say, the more they wonder. And the more they wonder, the more power you take. A killer doesn't shout. A weapon doesn't explain. Your silence becomes pressure. That pressure becomes aura. Step 2. Controlled threat. Aura isn't just energy, it's tension, the kind that warns without a sound. And nothing shifts your aura more than the ability to destroy, but choosing not to. This is the power of controlled threat. You're not volatile, you're not angry, you're just capable. Imagine locking eyes with someone, holding their gaze so steadily, without blinking or smiling, your calm suggesting a hidden storm beneath the surface. You don't need to raise your voice or throw a punch. Your body already says, I don't start fights, but I can end them. That subtle tension forces respect. It makes others step back, even if they don't understand why. You don't make threats. You are the threat. That's when your aura turns into a weapon. Step 3. Build mystique. People fear what they can't explain. Most people spill their thoughts. They overshare. They laugh to belong. They reveal everything. Power hides in the unknown. To weaponize your aura, you must become unreadable. Keep them guessing. What are you thinking? What do you want? What are you planning? At a meeting, when everyone is predictable, you sit quietly, nod once, and speak just enough to keep others unsettled. Don't reveal your full self. Don't justify your silence. Don't react to every jab. Let them feel the cold shadow of something dangerous, but never the shape of it. That unease you create, it fuels your aura. Because mystery isn't emptiness. It's power that refuses to explain itself. When people can't label you, they assume the worst. And that's when your aura becomes unstoppable. Fear tangled with fascination. Master these 3 brutal steps: silence, controlled threat, mystique. Your dark aura will become untouchable. Now, tell me which step you're mastering first. Make it clear, and subscribe. No hesitation, no second thoughts. This darkness is only the beginning.